Welcome back and Happy New Year. Um, so yeah, on a yearly, this year has been. Um, I mean, last year was um all like an uptrend, a really nice uptrend that we had. Um, we had some pullbacks, but it was uh during uh, it was during the quarterly shifts when you had a quarterly shift. That when we had like pullbacks. So what I mean is or is 2024 on a monthly. So 2024 started around here. So we had this kind of uptrend, pullback, uptrend, pullback, uptrend, and so on and so on and so forth. So we ended up our year on a high. So now what I'm looking for, uh, we are creating an inside candle, which is normally hard to trade when it's an inside candle within this December candle. So the January candle. Ideally, I would want it to come back below. So we have a nicer pullback. But remember, it's on a monthly, so it might take longer than intended. And then correct orders from there. Use it to target above. So from internal to external range liquidity, and use it to clear this high, um, which is our overall high that we have right here. So for now, um, we can use this trend that we have been using. So meaning this order block, use it to take price lower. What else? This imbalance, but it looked like a volume imbalance which was shifted. We didn't respect it, so ideally, I would want it to use it as um, an inversion. Use it as an inversion on it. What else? Um, so we have multiple premium PDRAs that we have to respect. Even this fair value gap, the breaker, in the order block, these volume imbalances. So all those things are there so that uh, we can use them in case we want to gravitate back to this um, fair value, a monthly fair value gap that is there. But in a case that we don't respect them and start breaking, so let's say starting going above this order block, breaking these imbalances, then I would want to target this buy side liquidity, knowing that the monthly will not be respected because we are gravitating higher again. So, but for now, that was like an overall thing that I'm looking for. But for now, since we are scalping, we are in this kind of trend, been in a trend where we are going lower and lower. So we are respecting lower. I mean, we are respecting um, bearish PDRs. So we've respected this fair value gap. We respected this order block here, where we use the this as an inversion, the gap that we saw on a daily. Now we are going lower to this target. So for me, I'm looking this as my target, my sell liquidity for now. So anything that will come back here, I'll use to target lower time frame. So we've respected this fair value gap here, over here. Went below it, use it. So I think there's an SMT right here too. I don't think so. There wasn't, but you can see here we didn't come into this gap, whereas on ES we came into this gap. So an SMT went lower. You can short from here. This was a beautiful trade actually, and then this would be the target uh, price, taking price lower. So any other entrance would be probably here around this area, leaving this open. So let's say this fair value gap, which is being created around here, can also be our second leg of distribution, and use it to go lower in lower prices. And as for now, I'll be looking to short it. And then probably put my stop loss above this gap. Then my target would be all the way here. All the way here. Buy. My buy limit is there. Then I will leave one runner to take what? To take price below if it wants to go below. So for now, uh, this is what I'm looking for. And I've just took this leg down there. It's currently running. 10 points right there. Let's see if we can at least get 20 points from there. Yeah. So on each trade, you want to be conservative, because an ideal entrance would be around once we broke this. So this would be like an ideal entrance. And then this would be like a continuation on the trade that is already there. Yeah. So let's see how this pans out. So I'm looking at this FEG being um, respected. And ideally this would be left open to see if we can, it can be a breakaway gap. So in the case which is not open, then I would know that this probably will not be taken out. The low, this low would not be taken out yet. So I'll be sitting on the side. Yeah, but if we decided to pierce here, then I would at least want it to be pierced like one pip on it, but not further more. So yeah, then I'll update later if something changes. So for now, this is what I have. Then if something changes later, I can update. So like I was saying, we're just gravitating here inside. So I would want this to be left open or one pierce above, but not inside. Because if you start gravitating inside, then I would know that I'm probably on the wrong side or I entered late in the move. So I'll just sit on the sideline, let the market move without me. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Thank you. Uh, I'll be back to give you any kind of update that will be forming during the day. So thank you and bye bye.